So I'm going to show you how to remove your heater core from a 1986 GMC High Sierra. I was really close to bringing this truck away because the other videos I had seen seemed very complicated on how to change this, and it's actually very simple. So obviously you first have to disconnect your heater hoses, which are right there. Inside of here, I'd seen a lot of guys take out their fan and all of this conglomeration here. That is not necessary. There's one bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt here, and your two heater lines. And then going to the inside of the truck, you've got a couple of small screws from the inside. There's one towards this side that was holding this clamp in place, and this is one of the studs from outside, as well as this one and that one. And these clips are easily removable from the heater box, so you can take the whole box out. I'll show you that here. This is the heater box. The heater core sits right in here, and it's held in place by two of these clips. And those, I believe, are 1/4-inch bolts. And yeah, that's how simple it is. There's only those 3 bolts really that hold that whole box up against the wall.